So guys, recently I have unboxed this Samsung Galaxy M30s on the channel and you guys loved it. And as all of you guys are well aware by the buzz that Call of Duty has created, so I've thought let's test it on this device. It has a pretty decent specification. The processor it has an equivalent performance of the 710, which is insane. But not the GPU. But let's test the GPU performance of this phone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a Call of Duty test as well as a battery drain test of this Samsung Galaxy M30s. So let's begin. Before I start the video, I would like to tell you the specification of this phone. This device has a Exynos 9611 processor. It's a 10 nanometer processor. It's an octa-core processor. There are 4 A73 cores and 4 A53 cores, and it has Mali G72 MP3 GPU as well as a UFS 2.1 storage. This particular variant has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. So yeah, these are the specs, and this one also has the 6000 mAh battery. Yeah, bloody 6000 mAh, and it has a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. And as you see over here, the blacks are super black and it looks pretty fantastic. And I'm going to use this app called battery temperature to measure the temperature of this phone. So yeah, let's start this game. By the way guys, the speakers are located over here. So yeah, and let me quickly show you the graphics. So as you see, I have put the graphics on high as well as the frame rate on high. So let's play and let's see how it performs. Guys, enjoy the gameplay. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead again. That guy is sniping a lot. What? Everyone is killing me. What? Guys, let me tell you that the performance is pretty good. Even though my team's performance is not that good, and even my performance is not that good in the game. Like, we are gonna be defeated by a huge margin, as you see over here. Again, I'm dead. Wow. See, I've told you we are going to be defeated at the huge margin. And this happens. This happens to us, guys. This happens to us. No problem. Let's go. Let's play again and kill those bastards. Well, so far the battery life is on 37%, and the battery temperature is 33 degrees. Okay, not bad. Okay, I would like to play as sniper. Let's go. Okay, cool. Chill, bro. Thank God. I have to take revenge, so I'm taking it. Simple. Okay, finally I am dead. Dude, you are running too much. Okay, finally. मर जा भाई. Okay, guys. See the lead, guys. See the lead. I have perfectly taken my revenge. And the last shot was mine. That's great. Yeah, in my last game, they have defeated me. Now I have defeated them. But I don't know who the hell are they. But yeah, it's an online game, so there are random people. So yeah, but whatever. I won this game, and the performance was, oh my god, I have forgot to tell you that the performance was pretty fantastic. I mean, this is a 14,000 rupee phone, and guys, I am getting really good frame rates. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. The frame rates were very, very constant. There were few minor frame drops that I have noticed, but guys, believe me, the performance of this Call of Duty in this Samsung Galaxy M30s was pretty amazing. I am super impressed with this phone. It is a little bit warm right over here. As you see, the battery, battery percentage is 36%, and the battery temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. So not bad. So I am quite satisfied with the performance of this phone as per the price range. So guys, this was a Call of Duty test of this Samsung Galaxy M30s, and I have to say, I am super impressed with the performance of this phone. Usually Samsung phones does not have this amazing performance, especially the budget ones, but this one has pretty decent performance, especially if you compare the price and if you consider this is a Samsung phone, and the display is just amazing. It's mind-blowing in my opinion. So if you want to purchase this device for a gaming purpose, you can definitely do buy this, and the battery life is just insane in my opinion. So yeah, this was my conclusion, guys. I am surely recommending this device for the gaming purpose. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very helpful for them as well as for me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.